Hi scholars, here's your problem of the day for Monday, March 30th. I'm going to begin by reading the problem out loud. Please follow along and read it in your head. Which answer choice does not describe the number 7,140? I immediately noticed that there is a word not that is in all capital letters. That means it's probably important. I'm going to go ahead and underline that. And I'm also going to circle the number 7,140. Okay, I'm going to read the problem again, just so I could have it sink into my head. Which answer choice does not describe the number 7,140? Okay, I want you to go ahead and pause, and I'd like for you to solve it on your own. And when you're ready to check your work, hit the play button and catch back up with me. Okay, so by now you've solved your problem. Hopefully you have drawn a picture of some sort to help you have figured out the answer. Now we're going to work together so you can check your work. I'm going to reread the problem. Which answer choice does not describe the number 7,140? Just glancing at my answer choices, I know that this problem has to do with place value. So with place value, the easiest thing to do is to go ahead and draw a place value chart. If you did not draw a place value chart, please go ahead and do so. I see that the thousands place is the biggest place in my number, so I'm going to go ahead and start with thousands. Then I have hundreds. Then I have the tens place, and I have the ones place. Okay, so I'm going to look back up at my number and take my number and put it into the chart. I have a 0 in the ones place. I have a 4 in the tens place. I have a 1 in the hundreds place, and I have a 7 in the thousands place. Make sure you put your comma into your chart. Okay. Now, looking back at my answer choices, I noticed that the word sum is in all of the answer choices. The word sum talks about adding numbers together, and the sum is the total, okay? So, again, I underlined the word not, so that means I'm looking for the answer choice that is not correct, okay? So let's start with letter A. Let's go through and let's eliminate answer choices that we know could not be the correct answer. Okay. Letter A, the sum of 7 thousands and 14 tens. Okay. Okay. Do I have a 7 in the thousands place? Yes, I do. 14 tens. Okay, looking back at my chart, I have a 4 in the tens place, and I have a 1 in the hundreds place. 14 ten sticks is the same thing as 140, so this answer is correct. Remember though, I do not want a correct answer. This says, does not describe the number correctly. So I'm going to eliminate answer choice A because I know that this one is correct and I'm looking for an answer that is not correct. Let's look on to letter B. The sum of 7,140 tens. Okay, do I have 7,000s? Yes, I do. Do I have 100? Yes, I do. Do I have 40 tens? Well, I have 4 tens. 4 tens is not the same as 40 tens. If I had 40 tens, I would have, it would go over into my hundreds place. So I know that this is not a correct answer, or what I do not think that is correct. I'm going to put a little dot next to this one, and I'm going to come back to that. Okay, let's check answer choice C. The sum of 7,104 tens. Okay, I have 7,000s, I have 100, and I have 4 tens. This answer is a correct answer. Remember, I do not want a correct answer, so I'm going to eliminate this one for this problem. And finally, D, the sum of 7,000s, 100, and 41s. Let's see. I have 7,000s, I have 100, and 41s. Well, 41s is the same thing as 4 10 sticks, remember? Because there are 10 ones in every 10 stick, and I have 4 10 sticks, so that means there are 41s. This is also a correct answer, and I'm looking for the answer that is not correct. So I'm going to eliminate answer choice D. So after going through all of the answer choices, I can go back to B. B, again, it says the sum of 7,140 tens. I know that this answer does not tell me the correct number for my problem, and so because I'm looking for the answer choice that is not correct, B is the answer choice you should have chosen. Okay, your writing prompt for today is this. Tell me about something that you do really well. I also want you to tell me why you think you do this so well. Okay? So think about something that you do really well. Maybe it's a sport, maybe it's um, baking, maybe it's giving compliments to someone. It can be anything, but it needs to be something that you do really well. Maybe you're really proud of yourself for how well you can do this thing. And I want you to tell me what that thing is, and I want you to tell me why you think you do this so well. After you've written your response to this, I like for you to send it to your teacher through Dojo or through email. Um, have fun with this, guys. Have a great day.